Okay. So this is Andrew, or Ball, or Andreas, or Ball778. Identity is a hard thing online. There's too many platforms and too many taken names. So yes, I'm testing Aardvark. I tried to do this tried to run this back in April, but my brain ran out of juice and just like I can't deal with Node.js. I have traumatic memories from Node.js from previous workplaces and nightmare projects. But yeah, this is how it looks in the compositor or whatever. Yeah. It renders below controllers, but oh, it actually. Ooh, I can't get it to intersect with FPSVR. FPSVR is on top. But anyway, clicking that opens this menu. I've explored this a bit beforehand. I've noticed things like you can capture desktop windows. Do I have something non-suspicious? Winamp. I think that spawned it, but I'm not sure. That might just be preview. Let's pull it out. Huge Winamp. You can put it off in the distance. There we go. You can have favorites. If you hear clicking, that's through my headphones because my cable is giving out on the index. And it's there is a new one on the way from support, but currently this is my VR. I have RGB noise, which you can't see, and audio clicking. Well, hopefully that will be fixed soon. Yeah, so yeah, I could move that away with the stick. You can see the stick move here on the render model. And the models are on top of the overlays. One thing I did notice that's a bit annoying. Let's go to, I think these are filters for gadgets. That looks like internet-based ones. I don't know, config. Yeah, I'm not sure. That puts out a model. I haven't really understood what this plus and minus does because they don't seem to react to anything. In the bindings, it was visible that A and B is also used, but I can't figure out how that's supposed to do anything. Can I click things? No. It's good to get a visual though. I kind of want to use this for shadow overlays and stuff, but I imagine an actual gadget that loads web services directly instead of capturing windows is a better idea. It's kind of what this is made for. My headset just blacked out. Damn it. Oh, it's back. I might have lost audio. My headset just... Oh. Let's check. Microphone is still working. The USB didn't break, but the video feed broke. I need to... Oh. Yeah, this is a problem I was gonna come to. That Aardvark is currently rendered on top of all the dashboards and stuff. Pick the. So if I try to use the dashboard, it's all rendered on top of it. So if I look in this direction, that window, which is actually further back, is rendered on top of the dashboard. Which is interesting because usually the dashboard... Oh, it's never on top. Well, okay. Wait, what? Wonder how this works. Why does it vanish? I don't know. Right. Anyway, if we go into the bindings, I'm gonna shamelessly point out other issues. If we go into manage controller bindings, of course, it would be nice if it would pop up close to here, but it should be at the top anyway with AA in the beginning, but it's not even showing up. Even if I've added it to... Oh, wow, stepped on my cable. I have it as always running here in the overlays options. But in the controllers, I have an issue on the GitHub for this, but all applications, especially background stuff, does not appear in this list at all. It might be at the bottom, but getting to the bottom is kind of... Can I... Ooh, I hadn't seen that one before. Discovery. Nah. So if we go to... Let me just just move this, or I could just respawn it over here. Show more applications, and here there's no scroll bar, so I need to look at this until it's finished. And Aardvark is the last thing I added. And it seems like this list is somewhat like chronological. It's not in alphabetical order. You can see S, O, N, P, T, A. It's just all looks random. But eventually we reach the end where Aardvark is. And if we edit the bindings, we can see there's grab and show force grab hint on the trigger. It's symmetrical. It's a mirrored setting. Detach on trackpad. I'm not sure how to use that. It might be a placeholder. Things seems to attach and detach to my controllers regardless. Thumbstick move grab. That's the thing you saw when I moved the window back and forth. Seems to only be like the Z-axis, or probably well, away and towards me. Gadget B and A, I honestly haven't found a way for them, or any gadgets so far that use them, but they exist. And squeeze, that's about it. There's actually suggested camera. Should we add camera to something and see what happens? Can add it to pinch. Oh, is it not a binary action? Well, let's not think about that too much, but we can add a... Let's see if touch... There we go. Oh, camera isn't here either. What is camera, actually? Well, no matter. Let's skip that. Yeah, so everything renders on top of the dashboard now, which is a problem. One way to fix this would just be for Aardvark to hide when the dashboard is up. Because this is a bit messy, and it kind of disrupts the normal interface flow of SteamVR. Let's try a few other things. I thought this was a preview, but apparently it's another window. It's not super obvious how to delete this, but what you do is you grab the scanner, and if you aim at the thing, you can press recycle, or favorite if you want it in the favorite menu, I guess. If you release the scanner, it always goes back to the original position. It would be kind of nice if it stayed in space, but then you could lose it, so it's fine. This intersection with the controller is a bit odd. I wouldn't mind being able to move. I mean, I could use any of the buttons now and try to move it, but I would like it to have it down here to not interfere with games or render models in games. Yeah. Talking about games, let's try launching something and see what happens. Do I have a quiet game that doesn't make a lot of noise? Steady. I think that's completely silent. I'm stuck on level 15. I provided some feedback, but there has been no activity in the forums. That's how it is. And yes, it's gray, it's not green like the image. Right, so yeah, Aardvark renders on top of games, which is expected. It's overlays. Stepped off my platform. Overlays are rendered in a layer on top of everything else in a separate composer, and that's just how things are. Same thing with other overlays like FPS VR. They're just always visible. Seemingly a separate layer from Aardvark as well. But that's, I guess, the case with all overlays. What happens? This is my screenshot tool. It helps you align, and it's also rendered behind. That's the interesting part. This is in front of Aardvark, but the other things are behind. I guess they're rendered at a Z layer. Question is at what, or well, I'm not sure what to call the axis, but there's layer depths or render depths for these. So I guess Aardvark is placed somewhere specific. But yeah, now the gear doesn't intersect with anything because the controller is just that tiny ball. It does cover it up, which is a bit... There's a, depth disparity. That's why I want to move this to separate it out from in-game objects. Let's see. This one doesn't have a controller block, or this cube. So I guess this cube is actually a specific gadget object and not a default handle. It's just, a good visual representation of something to grab, I guess. Yeah, the rest of it can't be grabbed. This is actually live updating texture. I won't start it now, but you can see the time flashing. Yeah. I managed to do something weird last time. If I take, which was it? I think this one. Oh. There we go. So I saw this in the original video. You can click here and it increments the count. And you have a heads-up overlay kind of thing. These are the most annoying things to read in games. Basically static heads-up display. But I mean, that's neat that it's possible. Just a bit hard to read sometimes. Last time I managed to screw up input. I'm not sure how, but oh, there we go. I saw the yellow dot. Oh yeah, as soon as the yellow dot has appeared on this thing, I can't grab boxes or anything. Oh, I can. What? So wait, that's only one hand. Okay. So now the right hand is disabled, but the left one is not. I'm not sure how to get it out of that box. It seems to be interacting with the web page. And it's stuck. So this happened last time as well, and I tried to take screenshots, but I wasn't in a game, so my screenshot tool didn't generate a screenshot. Not clicked. I thought that was a minus. It's actually a label. Not sure how. Oh, okay. So it's a click tester. And it's for the plus. Okay. Then I get it. It's a test object, of course. It's a bit funky that it requires like a... Oh, this is fixed now? What? Was that because I gave a different object focus? Does this work again? No, I can't. Can't interact with it anymore. Right hand got disabled again. Let's recycle this. Oh, it doesn't lock onto it? What? Okay, there's something funky going on with that one anyway. Huh. I also noticed this, that the whiteboard, it looked like it was working properly in the video, but the video is from like March, and now it's kind of whoopy. Not sure what has happened with this. It's like doing things afterwards and missing lines. It's pretty odd. Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening with this. It's very neat, but a bit glitchy right now. Oh, actually exited to the level select. Yep, level 15. It's a hard one. Supposed to grab this ring and move it beneath all these. Yeah, it's hard. Oh, crap. So let's hide that interface. No, I can't. Oh, I can't do that anymore now because my right controller doesn't play well. Crap. Can I? No, it doesn't. It doesn't remove the. Crap. So yeah. I know this is just a prototype so far. It's come a long way since. Well, I guess I didn't run it last time, so I can't say that. But it seems to have come a long way. It's very functional most of the time. Oh, I screwed up both of them. They're both yellow now. Damn it. Crap. Yeah, so I'm completely locked out of Aardvark now. But this is neat. I still haven't built anything for it, but it's supposed to be HTML, JavaScript, CSS. It's, as mentioned, Chromium instance in the background. Rendering this with whatever 3D JavaScript library probably to a separate compositor. Not sure. I guess this would be a C++ component, grabbing the window textures. It works though. It seems nice. Yeah, I'm hopeful it will be fairly straightforward to make things with this. I'm definitely looking forward to experiment. But that's probably the end of my testing. Exciting stuff. Looking forward to experiment with it. Well, I'll probably provide a bunch of feedback on the repository on GitHub. Aardvark with double A R D V R K R A K maybe. It's a fairly strange name. I guess it works. It's certainly distinctive. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.